Flames are dancing on the stove. Spices waiting in a row. Chop the onion.